Dear students, welcome to IC. Today SSCGD Constable, grant test number 59, English explanation is here. Listen carefully everyone. Check the first question. Direction is what? In each of the following question, out of the four alternatives, choose the word opposite in meaning. Antonym has been asked. Okay. So accustomed is the word, sir. Accustomed meaning usual, habitual, everyday routine wise whatever we are doing, that those things are called accustomed. Pernicious meaning deadly. Imprudent meaning not wise. One meaning is not wise, not intelligent. Another meaning is what, sir? Careless. Both the meanings are there. When any driver is carelessly driving, imprudent driving also you can say. Okay. Worried meaning tensed, troubled. And unusual meaning odd or uncommon, which we are not doing every day. Okay. So see here, sir. Accustomed meaning habitual, usual, common things. Unusual meaning uncommon things. So in that case, option number D is the answer. Okay. So for question number 76, option number D is our answer. Next one. Come to 77, sir. Variety is the word. Variety meaning diverseness. Okay. Different things are there. So diverseness. Okay. Now come to appraisal. Okay. Notification of anything. Okay. Appraisal meaning, I think everybody knows, in offices it is happening, but not all offices. Okay. So that is the thing, appraisal. Next one, uniformity. Uniformity meaning, sir, lacking diversity. Lacking diversity. So in this case, sir, variety, diverseness. So many different people are there in one place. So uniformity meaning, sir, no variety. So obviously, as antonym thing has been asked, so uniformity will be our answer. Option number B. Now other words are there, sir. Elucidation. Elucidation meaning clarification. Clarification. Okay. And advocacy word is also there. See, advocate meaning those people who are giving advice, and advocacy meaning giving advice then, or protagonism. One person who is actually totally advocating one particular idea. Okay, that is the thing, sir. So 77, option number B, uniformity is our answer. Sorry, antonym. Obviously answer. Why? Variety is the word. That is the thing. 77, B is the answer. Next one, sir. Come to direction 78 to 80. In each of the following question, out of the four alternatives, choose the one which expresses the right meaning of the given word. Genuine is the word. Synonym has been asked. Genuine meaning honest. Okay. So in this case, sir, genuine meaning honest, authentic, not fake. So obviously, sir, authentic word is there, and that is our answer then. Okay. Now other words are there, sir. Legible. Legible meaning clean, fair. Modulate. Write down. Inflect or adjusting the sound. Okay. High pitch, low pitch, all are there, na? That is the thing, sir. That is the meaning of modulating, changing or adjusting the pitch or inflecting. Another modulation meaning everybody knows, I think. Okay, changing or moderating. That is the thing. And tolerate meaning abide or put up with someone or put up with something or someone. Like continuously tolerating one person. Fine. So 78 says genuine and authentic. Both are synonymous. Option number A is the answer. Next one. Come to obscene. Obscene meaning indecent. Let us make it more easy. Offensive to the mind. Offensive to the mind. Someone told something very bad, so obviously we are saying that that person is talking about obscene things. Okay, vulgar things. Vulgar, indecent, offensive to the mind. Now see, sir, indecent is already there, so I have wrote it already, so that is the answer. Okay, indecent meaning vulgar things, offensive to the mind. So 79A, other words are there, sir. Incorrigible meaning disobedient, not listening to anyone. Next one, sir. Ridiculous meaning absurd. And intolerable meaning unbearable. Okay, bitter. Now in the previous question, check once, in the previous question, tolerate was there, meaning you are like abide by or putting up with someone or tolerating someone or bearing someone, and here intolerable is there, sir, unbearable or bitter. Clear? So for 79, obscene and indecent is our answer. Fine. So that is the thing. Next question, sir. So for 79 answer is A. Next one. Come to 80. Auspicious. Auspicious, two meanings are there. One meaning is bright, another meaning is sacred. Okay. Another meaning is also there, fortunate. But normally people are not using the word auspicious for the fortunate. Auspicious meaning sacred things, which like religioustic things related to divinity, we are talking about them, then we are using the auspicious word. So promising. Promising meaning is also auspicious. When promising meaning something which is giving you fortune, good luck. So when something is giving you good luck, then obviously as per we are human only and we are always like looking forward for good luck. So in that case, auspicious, auspiciousness only. So that is the thing. 80, option number A, promising is our answer or synonym of the word. Okay, other words are there, sir. Hasty. Hasty meaning hurried way, excessively quick, excessively quick. Okay, excessively quick. Now check, sir. Scheming is there, deliberate is there. Scheming meaning calculating, and deliberate is there. Deliberation, intentional, intentional or intentional, write down better. Intentionally you have done something, deliberately you have done something. 80, auspicious and promising, both are synonymous, not indirectly but indirectly. Okay, so option number A is the answer. Next one. Come to direction 81 to 83. In each of the following questions, out of the 4 alternatives, choose the one which can be substituted for the given word. One was substitution, to play the part of and function as some other person. So you are playing the function of some other person, then you are impersonate. This is the answer, sir. Got it? So when you are behaving or functioning for some other people, okay, then you are impersonating. Fine. Other words are there, sir. Unflinching meaning fearless, bold, audacious, okay, unafraid. Next one. Irreparable, impossible to repair, impossible to repair, and irremediable meaning impossible to remedy, impossible to remedy. See, new diseases are coming, new type of viruses are coming. Okay, today's news, some new kind of variant is also there in South Africa. So we can say right now that new variant is irremediable, meaning we don't know the remedy or medicine against that. Clear, everyone? So in that case, 81, option number D, impersonate is the answer. I think other words are clear to you all. Next one. Come to question number 82, something which cannot be believed. So obviously option number C, incredible is our answer. So I think you people know incredible meaning already. So inevitable meaning predictable, something which you can't avoid, inevitable. Fine. Ineffable, sir, meaning unutterable. Just a second. Or sacred, divine thing, unutterable. After watching the Supreme Soul or Parabrahma or something like that, you can't say anything. Okay, your mouth will be totally shut or muted. So that is the thing, so sacred or divinity, ineffable. You can't say anything again. And ineluctable, impossible to avoid, impossible to avoid. So in that case, check, sir, ineluctable and inevitable, almost same thing. Okay, na? So for 82, sir, option number C, incredible is the answer. Next one. Come to 83, body of a human being or animal embalmed for burial. So burial thing, burial meaning everybody knows, when we are like putting the dead body like below the particular earth, okay, earth crust, that is a thing, burial process. So corpse is there, mummy is there, morgue is there, mortuary is there. So obviously animal embalmed for burial, mummy. Okay, this is the thing, sir. Embalmed meaning, sir, balm meaning BALM, one kind of medicine. Yes or no? Whenever any scratch will be there on the on our skin, immediately our mothers are telling that put this balm there. Okay, then it will give you like it will be relieved, that particular pain or that scratch or something like that. So after the death, we all know that all the whole body was balmed totally, and some kind of stripe of cloths were made on it or covered on it. So in that case, option number B, mummy is the answer. Okay, other words are there, sir. Corpse meaning dead body, morgue meaning where dead bodies are kept, so dead room where dead bodies are kept, and mortuary meaning related to funeral process, related to funeral process. So we are doing now that after death what kind of rituals are there, that is a thing related to funeral. So 83, option number B is the answer, mummy. Next one, come to 84 to 87. In each of the following questions, a part of the sentence is printed in bold. Below are given alternatives to the bold part at A, B, C, which may improve the sentence. So sentence improvement is there. Choose the correct alternative. In case no improvement is needed, your answer is D. So we spent an hour discussing about his character. Okay. See, sir, this sentence, this sentence is in active voice. Okay. As a sentence is in active voice, after the word discussing or discuss, don't use any preposition. Fine. So after the particular verb called discuss in active voice, you should not use any preposition. Okay, about should not be used. So the sentence should be like this: we spent an hour discussing his character. That's all. Okay, don't discuss anyone's character. So bad thing. Option number C is the answer. Okay, so that is the thing. 84C is the answer. Next one. Come to 85. After the letter reached me, I shall know the result. Now check there, sir. I shall know the result. Here what is written, sir? Simple future tense. And we know that in another clause, the particular area should be in simple present tense, not in simple past tense, because here simple future is there. So cut down ed and after the letter reaches only. So here it should be reaches. That is the thing. Option number A is the answer. Okay, one clause is in simple future, another clause will be in simple present. That is a rule. So after the letter reaches me, I shall know the result. Okay, that is the thing. So 85, option number A is our answer, sir. Fine. Next one. Come to 86. I have returned library books yesterday. Okay, so yesterday, sir. Yesterday meaning totally simple past. Totally simple past. Yesterday, ago, all these kinds of things will take simple past only. So why to use have? Only returned is fine. Option number C is the answer then. Okay, so for 86, option number C is the answer. Next one. Come to 87. How long are you working here? Question mark is there. So how long meaning starting point is the past and it is still continuing. So as we already know, starting is the past and it is still continuing. Then what to use, sir? Present perfect continuous tense. Yes or no? So what is the thing? Has or have plus been plus before, and then since or for this kind of particular time things. Okay, so one person is asking how long have you been working here, and your answer should be I have been working here since 1993. Clear? Like that, sir. So in that case, 87, option number A is the answer. Fine. As I told, starting point is in past and something is still continuing. So one person is already working somewhere from a certain time. Okay, so from that certain time, someone asks that how long you are working here. So in that case, what to use? Present perfect continuous. This is the thing, has or have plus been plus before. Okay, 87, option number A is the answer. Clear, everyone? Next one. Come to direction 88 to 90. In the following question, some of the sentences have errors and some have none. Find out which part of a sentence has an error. The number of that part is your answer. If there is no error, the answer is D. Okay, so let us check, sir. 88. I am able to cope upon with all these difficulties. Cancelled. Cope with, manage. So simply I am able to manage. I am able to manage all these difficulties. That is the thing. Cope with, no upon, no up, nothing should be there. People are using cope up with, sir, that is wrong. Cope with, no up, upon, in between. So that is the thing. Problem is in B. So option number B is the answer. And that is the meaning of this, cope with, to manage. Okay. So for 88, option number B. Next one. Come to 89. I wish I am the richest person in the whole wide world. Okay, that is the thing. I wish I were, sir, because I am not the richest person. I am wishing, I am thinking about that if this kind of thing will happen in imagination, then I will do all these things. Yes or no? So in that case, sir, we all know that when I wish is there or the sentence is starting with if, then after the subject, simple past tense should be used. And what to use, sir? Another one, where. Okay, or had is not there, so here where should be used only. So I wish I were the richest person in the whole wide world. Option number A, there is a problem. This is the thing, sir. Okay, so option number A is the answer. 89. Next one. Come to question number 90. In the following question, sentence is given with a blank to be filled in with an appropriate word or words. Or here phrases actually. 4 alternatives are suggested for the question. Choose the correct alternative out of the 4. Okay, don't go for word here, sir. All those options are phrases actually. Okay, so I think you people know the difference between phrase and clause. Okay, so that is the thing. So there were 2 small rooms in the beach house dash served as a kitchen. Okay, so 2 small rooms we have. Okay, 2 small rooms we have in the beach house. One room is served as a kitchen. Okay, so the smaller of which, the smallest of which, the smaller of they, smallest of that. Obviously 2 particular things are there. As 2 things are there, what to use, sir? Comparative degree, not superlative degree. So as comparative degree should be used immediately, sir. This one and this one is cancelled, and we have the smaller of which and the smaller of they. Now for room, we can't use they, we have to use which only. Option number A is the answer, the smaller of which. Okay, so there were 2 small rooms. Language. So there were 2 small rooms in the beach house, the smaller of which served as a kitchen. That is the thing. 90, option number A is the answer, meaning 2 small rooms are there. The smaller room than the other small room is served as a kitchen or used as a kitchen. 90, A is the answer. Next one, sir. Come to direction 91 to 95. In the given passage, some of the words have been left. First read the passage over and try to understand what it is about, then fill in the blanks with the help of the alternative given. So here what we are getting, sir, we are getting a particular cloze test. Let us read. Without science, there is no future for any society. So there is nothing to say about it. Even with science, so science is already there. Dash, it is controlled by some spiritual impulses, there is also no future. So even with science, meaning science is already there. But if it is there will be no spiritual impulses, people are not filled with spirituality, only robotic things, then also there is no future. So here what the options we are getting? Because unless, without, if. Unless is the answer. Okay, so even with science, unless it is controlled by some spiritual impulses. Spirituality and religion is different, sir. Spirituality is the thing, or Adhyatma is the thing, that is the thing which gives us the power to live. Religion is not giving us the power to live, it is destroying. But spirituality is the thing that is showing the path how to live. Okay, so that's the thing. So unless it is controlled by some spiritual impulses, then also there is no future. So only robotic things will not give you any future. So 91, sir, what is the answer? Unless, option number B. Okay, so let us continue then after that. So come here we got unless. So let us read once again. Without science, there is no future for any society. Even with science, unless it is controlled by some spiritual impulses, there is also no future. One great thing about science is that it does not accept anything on mere dash. Okay, so for 92, we are getting experience, principles, conjecture, experiment. Experience meaning everybody knows, principles meaning everybody knows, rule of law, morality, conjecture meaning guess or hypothesis. So obviously, and experiment, I think everybody knows, nothing to say about it. And come to option number C, conjecture. So let us put here conjecture and let us check here, sir. One great thing about science is that it does not accept anything on mere conjecture, on mere guess, or on mere hypothesis. Each and every time science will examine everything. Okay, so science will examine everything, and science is not accepting anything just on mere guessing thing. Okay, that is the thing. So for 92, option number C, conjecture is our answer. Next one, everything has to be dash beyond any doubt. Understood, accepted, demonstrated, proved. Demonstrated meaning, I think everybody knows, sir, exhibiting something or showing something, giving a demo. Now sir, proved should be the word. Now sir, proved should be the word. Why proved should be the word? Here we got that guessing game, mere guessing game or mere conjecturing game is not allowed in science. So as guessing game is not allowed in science, then everything has to be proved beyond any doubt. So science will check that everything is proved by logic or not, then only science will take it. Nonetheless, it will not take. So that is the thing. Without any doubt, if something is proved, then only science will take that. Okay. So 93, option number D, proved is the answer. Next one, sir. Come to that one, 94 and 95. All acceptance comes after experiment which has no room for any dash. Same thing. Apprehension. Apprehension meaning a fearful expectation. Precision meaning preciseness, smallness. Okay, making something compact. Okay, that is the thing. Exactness meaning accuracy, and speculation meaning guess or conjecture. Now all acceptance comes after experiment which has no room for any guessing game. Same thing is written, sir. So 94, speculation. Okay, 94, speculation. So after all acceptance, like if science will accept whatever you are saying, they will first try to prove that. So if that is proved, then only they will accept that. And what kind of acceptance will be there? After experiment which has no room or no space, not place, no space for any kind of guessing game. Okay, so 94, D is the answer, sir. Okay, so come to 95, check here. This is the reason that development of science and technology has dashed human life all over the world. So revolutionized, overturned, or inspired, or totally changed. Okay, so that is the thing, sir. Option number A only. Other options I am not even reading because has is there. After this, these three cannot be anyhow used. After has, V3, revolutionized. So this development of science and technology just overturned or inspired our human life all over the world and changed the life also. 95, option number A is the answer, sir. Okay, that's all for this close test. Next one. Come to direction 96 to 97. In the following question, 4 words are given in each questions, out of which only one word is wrongly spelled. Find the misspelled word. Let us find out, sir. Labyrinth. The first spelling is only wrong. Complex system. Okay, labyrinth. So any kind of complex system which is heavy. Okay, which is not so easy. Complex system meaning we have to check that and it will be so problematic for us. That is a thing called labyrinth. Obviously that is wrong. So as misspelled word has been asked, option number A is the answer for question number 96. Fine. Other words such as laboratory meaning everybody knows, laborious meaning hard work, or another word is there sir, arduous or arduous. Library meaning everybody knows, nothing to say about this. So 96, option number A is our answer because that is misspelled word. Next one, come to 97. Commit is the word. Commit meaning, this is the spelling itself, there is no problem. Perform an act. Comedian meaning everybody knows. Now those people are getting UAPA and like sedition case from the government, leave it. Okay, next one, committee meaning one kind of commission that is working for us, something like that. And communication spelling is wrong, double M should be there, yes or no. So communication meaning converging info, conversing or conveying something. You are telling your own ideas to another person, that person is telling his or her own ideas to you, that is a thing sir. So communication, problematic like sent word because misspelled word, option number D is the answer then. Okay, so for 97, option number D is the answer. Next one, come to 98 to 100 everyone. So in the following question, sentences are given with blanks to be filled in with an appropriate word. 4 alternatives are suggested for each question. Choose the correct alternative out of the 4. Let us read. Obviously first options. Conscience meaning moral sense. Moral sense meaning whatever is right you know, whatever is wrong you know. Some people are saying there is nothing right and wrong, they are actually wrong. Okay, morality is there, right and wrong is there. Okay, conscientious meaning careful. Conscious meaning intended, meaning you have the sense, conscious. And consciousness meaning having knowledge of something, having knowledge of actually your own self. Okay, that is a thing, not I, beyond I. Okay, that is a thing. So the little girl was knocked down by a speeding car, so accident happened sir, and she lost her dash immediately. So consciousness immediately. Okay, the thing called the particular thing that is even inside us. Okay, consciousness, that is a thing. So having knowledge of your own self, who you are. So in that case, that is a thing. 98, option number D is the answer. Consciousness is the answer here. Okay, so 98D. Next one sir, come to 99. They have had to put dash the football match because of snow. So snowing is happening, okay. So in that case, like raining, like that kind of snowing. So as snowing is there, so put off. PUTOFF, hold or postpone, hold back to a later time or postpone, So delaying because some problem, this particular football match was delayed. Option number B is the answer, put off, postponing. Okay, so 99, option number B is our answer. I should write down the word. Okay, answer. And next one, 100 number. She found a few good curds in a shop and she bought dash curds last night. Okay sir, check here, last night is there, past tense is there, found is there, past tense is there. Here those, that, them, this is there. Now see, cards are there, plural, yes or no? Obviously only those only will be our answer. So bought those cards last night. If THESE, these also will be there, THUSE, those also will be there, and that is there, and this is there. I am giving you these options. Then also you have to use those only. You can't use these because these is for present sir, those is for past sir. And here this person, sorry, that girl is totally in past right now. The whole sentence is in past. So as whole sentence is in past, those only, option number A is our answer. Clear? So for 100 number, option number A is the answer, and that's all for this set.